welcome back to my channel, viewers and subscribers. I hope everybody doing good today, guys. Today we're gonna do a Jamaican style pot roast beef, but I'm gonna use a Sorrel beer in it, so I'm gonna give it a twist and show you how I do mine. But before we go on the road this morning, so I'm gonna basically season up the meat, which I already cleaned the meat already, cut up the season and stuff. So I'm gonna just marinate the beef so till when I get back, then I just catch up the fire and then start the morning vlog. So for the seasoning, I'm using 1 sweet pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 green pepper, some ginger, some pimento seed, and 1 onion with piece of thyme, and 3 stalks of scallion. And I know this are the beef right here, so I just done clean up. So I'm gonna add the season now. And so I'm gonna add in the green pepper. And I'm gonna add in the garlic, the sweet pepper. Some people call it bell pepper, sometimes I call it bell pepper too. And I'm gonna add in the scallion. Add the onion, and this is the pimento seed, so I just basically crack them, and the ginger. So I am adding in 1 tablespoon of meat season. I know I can't left out the all-purpose, which is the Maggi all-purpose season. I use 2 tablespoons of the Maggi all-purpose season, because you know it make the food taste nice. So I rub in the season into the beef. So basically the beef, basically cut the beef like inside. So I go like stuff some of the season inside of the beef, so when you're cooking the beef, like the season can penetrate through the meat. Just go through and just stuff in some of the season, guys. Just rubbing. This is the finishing part of the seasoning of the beef. So I'm going to use a piece of aluminum foil and wrap it. Just press it in the refrigerator bottom so it can marinate until when I get back from the supermarket. Our shoppers here, which is uptown Beckford Plaza. I go pick up the fruits and stuff what I want in the supermarkets. So guys, basically I'm reaching at the supermarket, so I'm going to try to pick up some stuff now. Pick up one of the corn and some other stuff on one the supermarket. But me I look for the tomato. Can I hear me, guys? Me I look for the tomato and stuff, but I don't see it, so I don't know. Most of the stuff when I come in from, I don't really see them. Guys, so I think now we'll get one of them carrots. So I'm go and get the tomato them for wait. So we just wait for them to come back with the tomato. And I go pick up the Sorrel beer and the rest of stuff that I need for the vlog. So I'm gonna go look for the Sorrel beer now. So I'm gonna pick up the rest of stuff. So I go get some water. So I'm gonna get one bread. Good old wholesome hardware bread. But we still haven't found the beer yet. So I'm gonna look at Charlie. So guys, we find the beer them. So I'm gonna pick up some of the beer. So I'm gonna find the Sorrel beer them, so I'll pick up 3 of them. I'm gonna go check out of the people in the supermarket, you know, because me get all of the stuff them what me did want to do the vlog for today. So when I reach back home, and we see what I go on the channel. So I just come back from the supermarket, and as I come back, I just catch up the coal fire. So I wait for the coal fire to just go and catch up and then start the vlog. But in the meantime, I go and drink some water. I'm thirsty star, I swear. So I wait for the pot to hot now, guys, but in the meantime, I'm going to scrape off the excess season what is outside of the beef into the plate back, because I don't want them to hitch in the pot and start to burn. So I'm just going to show you that part. So as I said, I basically scrape off about the season from on the outside. So I'm gonna rest it in the pot now, because I think the pot is hot now. Check on the beef. Also the beef basically cooking color. So I'm just making second time. Roast, no excess amount of heat, just small amount of fire under the coal. And the Caribbean fried style of cooking. I go on to, you know, see a mad thing I go on today again, another great outdoor vlogging. So I'm gonna check on the beef. We basically just add small portion of water just for it to cook, because remember that you don't want it to stick or burn, so it's just small portion of water. So guys, so I'm gonna add half of the Sorrel beer. To the beef. So I'm gonna go take out the beef out of the pot now. Guys, can you see that? I'm just drain off the excess amount of juice back in the pot. So I'm gonna go whisk it out and then add it to the rest of the juice from the beef, and then leave it to dry down just a little bit. So I'm going to add it in the pot, you know, and just leave it to dry down a little bit. just use the whiskey around. Sauce looking good. So make it dry down a little bit more. So that is the sauce for the pot roast beef. So I'm gonna check back on the sauce. Basically the sauce done. So I'm gonna take it off of the fire now. Guys, this is my pot roast beef with sorrel beer and some boiled corn, and I have my sauce. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please remember to subscribe and also turn on your post notification bell so that every content that I put up, you will be the first to get them. Thank you.